So prior to me enrolling into the program at Sundance College, I was just working full-time. I kind of just heard about it one day and it sounded interesting, but I didn't really have an understanding of what it was. I just heard marketing. So when I was looking around online for places where I can get digital marketing experience, Sundance College was actually one of the first places that popped up. Other places, they had it, but it was just kind of a little, I guess the wording of the program might have been a little off, or they were mainly offering a certificate. So I was looking for more like a diploma or something I can actually get some real knowledge. Yeah, like it just means a lot knowing that I finally did it, knowing that like all this work that I did wasn't in vain and that like I get to graduate in the end. I feel like my program has definitely helped me give me the knowledge I need to succeed in a career in digital marketing, because a lot of the program's curriculum was very hands-on, especially with the projects that I had to do in a lot of my classes. They were very hands-on, like building a website or auditing a website, writing blog posts, writing for business, writing, stuff like that. So I feel like with that knowledge that I've got to gain with the hands-on experience, and then having my teacher, who also was more experienced in that, and giving me the green light saying that I know what I'm doing and I'm doing it well, definitely gave me that confidence. One thing I will say that really stood out to me also was just how concerned my teachers were and just the staff were in general. That's what I needed, because as a person who procrastinates, having someone I know who cares and who's really like there to see me succeed well after office hours, my teachers were still available. So even if I were to email my teacher at 8 p.m., it might take him 20 minutes to respond or a bit more, but he will still respond regardless of it being like 9 to 10 o'clock. 5-10 years from now, I would say in the 5-10 years, I would just like to be working at like a marketing firm, being very like successfully and kind of just like slowly moving up the ranks within like the marketing industry. It's like I just kind of want to be successful within my career. My name is Hananeel and I'm a proud Sundance College graduate, earning my Commerce, Digital Marketing, and Social Media Management diploma.